just bought the most amazing roof from across the parking lot, and I had to come speak to
Todd.
So Todd, what kind of car is this?
This is a 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Coupe.
Okay, and this was hand painted?
It was hand painted.
Oh, it's amazingly done. Can you tell us a little bit about the upholstery as well?
Yeah, the seats are original, but the patterns, designs, and material are not. And it was all done handmade by Rex out of Oceanside.
It's beautiful, and that beautiful gold also matches the resin shift knob over there too.
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay, so have you really done a lot in terms of restoration? Because this is a 1950s car.
Yeah, we took it all the way down to the bare metal and brought it back up with all new paint. It was painted by an old friend of mine named Lance Roulette.
Okay, and what have you named this car?
I named this car Monogamy because she's my only lady, besides my wife.
Besides your wife, I'm sure she's watching. She's not going to like that very much. And for this event, for the Qruisin, for the PCH, how many times have you come back to this event?
Probably a dozen or so.
Okay, and what do you like about it? What brings you back each time?
It's a nice mix of cars. It's fun to get out in the morning. I like that it's a driving event. It's not just static with cars parked in a parking lot. You meet, you drive, and then it's cars parked in a parking lot. So you get a little bit of everything.
Well, thanks so much for joining us.
Excellent.
Awesome. Thank you.